Beware of foods that we do not eat in the winter. They restore the brain, treat liver diseases, activate the pancreas, cleanse the colon, soften the intestines, revive cells, eliminate tumors, treat the prostate, treat weakness and diabetes of both types, and treat heart diseases. What are these foods that not everyone knows about in the winter? Before we start, we want to collect 1,000 prayers for the Prophet Muhammad in a comment and support us by pressing the like button. If you eat oranges, apples, pomegranates, pineapples, strawberries, bananas, or grapes even once, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell button, and share the video to know the number of people interested in this type of video. Welcome back if you are looking for a fruit that is beneficial for the health of your heart and the health of your nervous and digestive systems. Or you are looking for food that contains many vitamins that are nutritious for you and your children's health. Or you wanted to protect your body from chronic diseases, then winter fruits are a good choice for you in every season of the year. There are special and different fruits. Winter fruits are not only for enjoying the flavor of their taste, but they have many benefits that will amaze you when you know them. Through them, you can protect your body from the risk of chronic diseases. We will learn about these benefits in detail on the Marital Recipes channel in the following minutes. A questioner may ask at the beginning of the episode and say, what are the most prominent winter fruits? Here are the most prominent of them: grapefruit, kiwi, orange, apple, pomegranate, mandarin, pineapple, strawberry, banana, grape, cranberry, and other winter fruits with a delicious and distinctive taste. Now we come to the point you are waiting for, dear viewer: the benefits of winter fruits. Winter fruits are very numerous, as we mentioned at the beginning of the video. To talk about these benefits in detail, we will start with the characteristics of these fruits. One of the most important characteristics of these fruits is that they contain a high amount of vitamins such as vitamin A, which helps in cell renewal, and vitamins B and C, which can protect your nervous system and prevent blood clotting. Fiber. Winter fruits are famous for containing a large percentage of fiber, which helps you greatly in regulating the digestion process, and by eating winter fruits, you can strengthen your immune system due to the anti-inflammatory properties, which greatly helps you in fighting colon infections and joint infections. These fruits are also famous for their high content of antioxidants called lycopene, which greatly helps you in colds and preventing some types of cancer, such as stomach, esophageal, mouth, and breast cancer. Women may also benefit greatly in increasing fertility and childbirth because these fruits contain folic acid, which is important for the health of the pregnant mother and the fetus, and many beneficial properties of these fruits. We will learn about the benefits in more detail in the following minutes. We start with apples. By eating apples, you will get a healthy heart free of diseases and high blood pressure. The secret to this is that apples contain antioxidants that protect. For a healthy heart and healthy blood vessels, not only that, but you can get a dazzling white skin and return to your youth by simply continuing to eat an apple daily. People who are looking for foods to reduce stress and anxiety, apples are one of the good options for you. In addition to the fact that apples contain many vitamins such as vitamin C and vitamin A, you can also get rid of indigestion and prevent digestive system problems such as diarrhea or constipation. When you eat apples, the beautiful thing about the subject is that apples contain a low amount of calories and therefore are suitable for all health conditions. As for oranges, oranges are famous for being one of the fruits rich in vitamin C, which helps boost immunity and thus protects you from bacterial infection or various diseases. As for pomegranates, nutrition experts advise not to give up pomegranates at all. You will not only benefit from the sweet taste, but you will also get benefits that may surprise you when you know them. Pomegranate juice contains high levels of antioxidants compared to most other fruit juices. Antioxidants help you remove free radicals, protect cells from damage, and reduce inflammation. According to the National Institutes of Health, juice can help you digest and improve the health of your digestive system in general. Dear viewer, you may have heard once about a disease called Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis and other inflammatory bowel diseases. Health experts say that pomegranate juice can help you greatly in reducing inflammation throughout the body. You can also get rid of arthritis and cartilage damage by simply eating pomegranate. If you were looking for vitamin C, pomegranate contains more than 40% of your daily needs of vitamin C, in addition to many benefits of this fruit. As for grapefruit, this fruit is famous among the public for its role in burning fat. This fruit is characterized by containing foods between sweet, sour, and bitter, including different colors such as white, yellow, and orange. This fruit is famous for its many benefits in particular. Its role in weight loss is among its other benefits, promoting cardiovascular health and controlling high blood pressure due to the substances it contains, such as lycopene, vitamin C, choline, potassium, and others. You can even fight cancer due to powerful antioxidants, such as vitamin C and lycopene, which are known to prevent prostate cancer, and carotene, which is known to prevent esophageal cancer. This is not the only benefit of grapefruit, but you can also prevent strokes, promote digestive health, enhance skin, and get rid of wrinkles, among other benefits that you will get once you eat this fruit. As for the health of the digestive system, winter fruits share that they are very beneficial for the stomach due to the high amounts of fiber that maintain the health of your digestive system and get rid of problems related to it, such as constipation, stomach, and colon infections. However, if you suffer from increased stomach acidity, avoid fruits that increase stomach acidity, such as lemons. As for the kidneys, most winter fruits share general nutrition for the kidneys, and the secret to that is the high nutritional value of these fruits that increase the general health of the kidneys. Rather, you can get rid of any fluid retention in the body and increase urine secretion and get rid of diseases or cancers simply by continuing to eat winter fruits. As for prostate health, sexual health for both men and women, most winter fruits such as apples, bananas, lemons, pomegranates, and other winter fruits contribute to enhancing sexual health for both men and women and protecting men from cancer that may affect their reproductive system, such as prostate cancer. Fruits will not end yet, but there are other famous fruits such as strawberries, pineapples, bananas, and others. For example, strawberries, a study conducted by researchers at Rush University in the United States, revealed that strawberries play a major role in preventing Alzheimer's disease with age. You can also enhance heart health, improve iron absorption from foods, regulate blood pressure levels, and other benefits of strawberries once you continue to eat them. As for pineapple, pineapple contains a very high amount of nutrients that help you in the digestion process and enhance immunity to fight diseases. And getting rid of infections, it is also popular among people who undergo surgeries to increase the speed of recovery after undergoing surgeries, but the antioxidant properties in pineapple play a major role in reducing the risk of cancer. We end our talk with the banana, which is famous for its role in promoting digestive health, getting rid of abdominal pain, and getting rid of high blood pressure. Some may eat it in order to get quick energy for work or during exercise. In the end, dear viewer, winter fruit has many benefits for you and your family, in addition to protecting you from most diseases that may affect you or one of your family members. So do not forget to add most of these fruits to your diet. This is all we have today. Do not forget to share the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell button. Thank you for watching and stay well.